Tecma Aries is a privately owned company, French, 200 people and 43 million euro turnover. We are specialized in end of line for packaging, mainly in dairy and spirit industry, where we are the most well known. So we do from the mechanization of cardboards up to palletization, case packing, sleeving machines, and of course engineering of complete lines. Today in mature markets, the main demand is ultra flexibility of equipment. The industrials and our customers are really asking to put their money on the machines, on the complete lines that can really receive a lot of different products and a lot on demand. So we have to design very flexible and versatile equipment, also be able to produce batches on demand. So it's why the request is a lot on the ability for the machine to be connected to ERP, to make some predictive maintenance now, be really user-friendly also, so we work a lot on HMI, and using the new development we have in Industry 4.0. For the end of line, the development we have actually are this Dream-On Cup concept where we can shrink sleeve online and give a very late personalization of cups with a very fast changeover, very simple machine, easy to use, easy to maintain. Also, we bring a concept that is giving to customer a very short time to market between the development of the design of the cup until the delivery of the line. And it's also why we have developed also this new case packer with the ARITRAK from Rockwell Automation, where we give a full flexibility in making batches, making different groupings for the products we deliver before palletization. What we have developed with the ARITRAK, this is the name of this machine, is the ability just by clicking on the menu of the HMI to change the recipe and to change the batch and the groupings we are doing with our case packing in a very compact machine, which gives to customer ultra flexibility in the way they will manage their order in the end of line.